Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In the last class, we saw the introduction about Seaborn, and in this class, we will discuss why we have to use Seaborn. Okay, the topic we will discuss. So, why we have to use Seaborn when there is so many data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and in Pandas come up with integrated plotting like df.plot. We already saw that in our Pandas tutorials, friends. So when there is already having Matplotlib library and we are having Pandas visualizations and Matplotlib visualizations, all those things are available. Then why again Seaborn? Why we have to use Seaborn? Means what are the reasons? We will see now. Okay, so let us dive into the topic. Seaborn is built on top of the Python core visualization library Matplotlib. We already saw this, and it is meant to serve as a complement and not as a replacement. Okay, so it's a complement to the Matplotlib, but not, we cannot replace the Matplotlib with Seaborn because Seaborn itself built on the top of Matplotlib, friends. Okay, so however Seaborn comes with some important features given below. What are the important features? We will see one by one now. So Seaborn is built in themes for styling Matplotlib graphics, friends. Okay, Seaborn have all the themes required to style the Matplotlib graphics. So generally, what happens when we plot a Matplotlib plots, the customization is not um, that much available because the visuals, the attractive visuals, the customization, the themes are not that much available in Matplotlib. So in Seaborn, that customizations and the themes are more in number, so that the same Matplotlib plots will be developed with more attractiveness, with more themes. Okay, so that is a specialty of a Seaborn. And then visualizing univariate and bivariate data. So univariate and bivariate, what are these terms? So these are the statistical terms. So univariate means uh, it will vary uh, by itself. So it doesn't depends upon uh, other variables. And bivariate means we have two variables x and y, and each will vary. So both variables will vary. X variable will vary and y variables will also vary. So this is an introduction. We are in introduction. So we are not going deep into the statistical terms. I will discuss those statistical mathematical terms in the later classes while visualizing library, while plotting the diagrams. I will discuss that. So just you please remember this. And then fitting in and visualizing linear regression models. So for fitting and visualizing linear regression models, it finds much use in machine learning, friends. In machine learning we are developing the models, so for a predictive analysis and descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, all those stuff we are doing in machine learning models. So in the machine learning algorithms, we have a linear regression model is there for fitting all those things. For visualizing the linear regression models, Seaborn is having much beautiful customized plots, and then plotting statistical time series data. And then Seaborn works with well with the NumPy and Pandas data structures also. So that is one of the future and one of the specialty of the Seaborn. And then it comes with built-in themes for styling matplotlib graphics. This point we already saw. So these are the specialities why we have to use the Seaborn instead of matplotlib or pandas plots. Okay. Customization, the central point is the customization is very more, and the interface to the plots is more. Okay, so these are the important features. So in the next class we will discuss some more topics. Till then, bye bye. Your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.